Gang, 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 gang. What it is? Mook in the V, back with another video. Today I'm riding passenger, which y'all never really see me doing because I don't even really trust people like that to be driving me. I like to be the one whipping, you know what I mean? But yes, you turning right here, my bad. You going all the way up to 59 and you're gonna make a left at 59. Alright guys, today man, heading over to Ricky's shop. If y'all don't know who Ricky is yet, that's that supercharged Jaguar that I raced about 200 videos ago. If you ain't been around that long, if you just beginning to be a V-Gang member, and I'm gonna stop right there and tell y'all to make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Y'all can even hit like a thumbs down. You don't even gotta like it. You can hit dislike because all interaction on the channel is welcome. But yeah, and that's also the guy with the Lamborghini Jeep, which we've grown to call it the Jeeperghini. That's his vehicle too, man. So he got a shop as well. I've been rocking with him a little bit lately. I got something coming with the Black Mamba, my Jeep SRT. And I'm probably gonna have him do it. I'm actually gonna talk to him about it when we get up here. But today, man, we in a Cadillac ATS, and friend of mine. I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like here. Alright, so this is the radio right here. Get that off. Hold on. Alright, let it focus now. You see that right there? Like those cracks, and yeah, so we're gonna go over to Ricky's shop. He said that he can do it in like 30 minutes. That's what he told me. So we finna see if he really a beast like that. He's saying it's just like a sheet though that like comes off. I don't know. We're gonna see, man. Hopefully he can do what he say he gonna do. But I'll see how the Cadillac come in here. You know what I mean? A little luxury. A little luxury or something. But yeah, man, we gonna head over here and link up with him, see what's going on over here, see if he got anything interesting in the garage, which I'm sure the Jeeperghini is still in there. He got a couple other cars that he working on too that I can't wait to show y'all, but he don't want it to be seen yet because he want the world to see it when it's ready. But whatever, you know, it's his stuff, so I'm gonna wait on it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we get over here to the shop, and I'm gonna holler at y'all then. Alright, family, man, I done pulled up here to the shop. I don't think Ricky here yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and walk these cars over here, man. Try to get y'all some content. Y'all know it get kind of crazy out here in the Midwest when it get cold, getting this content. So I'm gonna just walk the line. They got a few cars out here, and you know, y'all might need a new whip. Come through, holla at them. This Jeep thing right here, that joint, what that say? 2339, 23,395. That joint decent though. The little off-road tires on it. That's ugly, and that's 27. Got the Dodge Ram. That joint only 23, 2015, y'all. That ain't bad. Joint kind of clean too. Got a Sprinter van. I don't got no price on that. Benzo truck, 2019, 32. That ain't bad either. Oh, sorry. I mean, I said Benzo. Beamer truck. My bad, y'all. Beamer truck. Got the Beamer truck right here. $32.50. I'm tweaking, y'all. 32. $500. Got the Beamer truck right here, man. They want 32 for that joint. Out the door, probably like 36, something crazy. Got the Benz right here. On 27 for that joint. He is kind of clean too. Big Wrangler joint right there. 24 they want for that. Hey, this joint right here decent. All they want is 19. Hey, what is you saying? 19 for that? Shit, I'll do it. Ain't got no price on the Infinity. Jeep right there. Got a Jag. Everything else down there weak. I mean, I see a 300 down there. Dodge game. Got a Kia Boy right there. They got a couple little whips out here, man. Seem like they be flipping these cars fast though, because last time I was here, which wasn't that long ago, pretty much none of these cars was here. So they definitely getting them out, man, and getting new nice vehicles in. They look like they reasonable as far as the price. Yeah, man. So, and hopefully Ricky finna pull up out here in a minute, man, because he told me to meet him at the shop. But I don't think he here yet. Oh, he might be. It look like the lights on in there. Oh, yeah, he is in there. All right, I'm finna go in here. Let me see, man. Let me see what the situ is. He in here, y'all. He in here late night. VIP status closed down, boy. Still open up for me. Real gang shit. Got a Wagoneer, original Wagoneer there. Call him. Alright, man, let me call him real quick. Come on, man, focus in. Get right. Get right. But yeah, man, let me call him and get this taken care of, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up. What's going on, man? How you feeling? I see this joint right here. Give y'all this little walk around. Special edition cherry apple. It's that's what I like. Say getting that joint out of there in 2 minutes. People want to see that. Ain't a good view there. You gonna sit here and act like you don't see that thing right there? Don't come in here and try to act like you don't see that. Like you just see them all the time. That thing right there. Whew. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know that thing is crazy, crazy. I done already dropped a video by the time y'all see this, but he been on my ass about getting that video out, so I need to get it out, man. For real. I just been busy, y'all. That's why I ain't been posting as much. You know what? By the time this drop, I'm gonna been done posting the way I'm supposed to be posting. But right now, I ain't been posting the way I'm supposed to be posting. For real. Here she go. The Jaguar raced right here.
That's it?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, yep. This thing's faster than it looks, guys. Or it might just look fast already. Supercharged thing, Jaguar. Got a body in the back. You never seen the inside of that joint. My boy got that out just like he said, ASAP. No problem. My man did it so fast, I ain't even catch him, y'all. I went outside, took a couple pictures. You, y'all do exhaust work here too?
No, most exhaust work we sent out. Unless it's like a direct bolt-on or something.
I just want to straight pipe my shit. Just like that, man. It's a new one in there, y'all see the screen? I just seen what it looked like a second ago.
Alright, all done.
Magic. Magic.
Welcome to try it all out, make sure it all works, but she's
My
good
boy
to go.
is a beast.
I've done hundreds of these. I can do them with my eyes closed.
That's decent, man, because, you know, the dealership would have had us in there. I was going to take a day, leave it overnight, make you think they doing something real technical. My man just knocked it out in a quick little second. But all right, y'all, let me take care of this little bit of business, chop it up with my boy, and I'm going to holler at y'all in a second. Take y'all over here, check out the old screen. Just pop that joint off. Boom. I wanted to show y'all him getting more technical with it, but I didn't know it was really gonna be that fast. Alright, man. Alright, guys, so on my way back to the house, man. This is gonna be a short one today, short and sweet, right to the punch. That shop is Ricky's shop is actually pretty cool, man. I didn't know what type of work they did in there. Last time I was there trying to film the Jeeperghini, I told him about the problem with the radio, and he said they could actually fix it. So when I pulled the car up today, sorry if it's shaking a lot. I don't got it on the gimbal right now. I'm actually just holding it. When I brought the car over today, I found out that the dealership for those cars that I'll be showing you guys is actually owned by the same guy. So the mechanic shop fixes on factory, it fixes on any car, but all factory stuff. So you know, most of the time when you got a mechanic shop, they do a lot of aftermarket stuff. They can't really do any of the factory stuff. So that particular shop actually does the and I'll put the name of the shop in the video too, because I know I didn't show the sign on this video, but if you guys watch the ones prior to this, you'll see the name, because I put the name on the video. But yeah, man, they actually do factory work there. So fixing the radio, he literally did that in like 20 minutes, man, and he gave me a really good price. Really good price, man. So you guys come over and check this shop out, man. You got something on your car that only the dealership say that they can fix, you can bring it right over here. They're located in Plainfield, Illinois, and I'll put all that information in the video. Like I said, somewhere on the screen it'll probably pop up. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for the video, man. Appreciate Ricky for taking care of that for me, man. Saved us a lot of money. And yeah, man, to the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, man. Out.